In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications on Clickup tips. If your inbox is getting flooded with updates and you prefer to keep your focus inside Clickup or on your own schedule, this walkthrough will help you quickly silence those emails without affecting your work. Start by opening your Clickup account. You can do this in a web browser or the desktop app, whichever you normally use. Once you're in your workspace, look for your profile menu. It's typically your avatar or initials, usually found in a corner of the interface. Click that profile icon to open your personal options. From the menu that appears, choose Notification Settings. This is the control center for how Clickup reaches you, and it's where we'll make the change. You'll likely see a few notification channels here, things like in-app alerts, mobile push, and email. We're focusing on email. Hover your cursor over the email section. As you hover, you should see a small arrow pointing down. Click that arrow to expand the email area. Expanding this view helps you see exactly what's currently enabled and gives you access to the controls for turning things off. Now select Disable Notification for email. With a single click, you're telling Clickup to stop sending updates to your inbox. This change takes effect for your account and will prevent new task updates, comments, and other alerts from arriving by email. It's a clean way to reduce noise while keeping your workflow intact inside Clickup. A few quick tips while you're here. Disabling email notifications won't remove or delete any tasks or comments. You'll still see updates inside Clickup itself, and you can check your notifications there whenever you're ready. If you ever want to bring emails back, just return to this same email section, expand it with the arrow, and re-enable notifications. It's fully reversible, so you can experiment to find the balance that suits your day. If the interface looks a little different on your screen, don't worry, Clickup updates its design from time to time. The core path stays the same. Open your account, go to your profile, open notification settings, find email, expand it with the arrow, and disable notifications. That's it. No complicated menus, just a quick change to keep your inbox clear. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more focused Clickup experience.